Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll talk about variables. Variables are an important part of Python programming language. They allow us to easily store, manipulate and access data throughout our projects. While writing the programs, we'll use different types of data: strings, integers, boolean values, and most of the times in the program we want to reuse those data, or we want to perform some operation on values, or we want to perform some operation using those values. And to do this we can use variables. Variables allow us to label and store data in the computer's memory, and then whenever you want you can access the stored value using that label. Alright, so next let's see how to create variables in Python programming language. A variable is created the moment we first assign a value to it. It is a simple and straightforward process. Take a name or label and assign a value to it, and we are done. That is variable name, assignment operator and value. Here variable will be a name or label, and this is the assignment operator, and this is the value. Here value can be integer type, string type or boolean type or any other data types. Variable can hold various data types, and we'll discuss about data types in the upcoming tutorials. And also, as I said, variable is a symbolic name or label. So while naming the variable also we must follow few rules, and we'll discuss about that in the next tutorial. Alright, so next let's see few examples. So here age equal to 25, name equal to Amulya, num equal to 5.4. These are the few example. Here age refers to integer value 25, name refers to string value Amulya, and num refers to float value 5.4. Here why I am saying age refers to value 25? That's because in Python variable won't store the value. It actually stores the address of that value. When I take x equal to 1, x actually stores the address of value 1. Value 1 will be stored in the computer memory, and that address will be stored in this x. X is a name that refers value 1. Either you can show that in this way or you can show that in this way. Here we can see 1 is stored in memory, and this is the memory address, and that address is stored here. The name given to that address is x here. And here you can see while creating variables no need to mention the type of data. If you are from C background, there you need to declare the variables and you need to mention which type of data you are using before using that variable, right? But here no need to do that. Here you just need to mention the name and assign a value to it. And also here you can change the type of variable after creating it. For example, first if I create a variable called x and I'll assign a value to it, 10, it is an integer value. Then in the next line you can reassign a new value to it. For example, like this: hello is a string value, and you can assign that string value to x. Okay, you won't get any error. Alright, this is about variables. Next let's see how to use these variables in the program. In the shell, to create the variables, name, assignment operator, and we are done. If you want to access that data, just mention that name, and here you can see the value. And also if you want to perform any operation on that, just x plus 1, and we have the result here, 101. Alright, and if you want to assign a new value to x, you can change the type of variable. Right, now x value is hello. And also if you want to know the address of value, where it is stored, you want memory address, then you can use id function. Here if you want to know more about id function, just help and id, you'll get all the information here, right? And if you want to find the address of any variable, just use id of 100. If you do id of x also, you will get the same address, right? If you want memory address in the hexadecimal form, you can use hex function just like this, and here you can use id of 100 and you'll get the address in the hexadecimal form. All right. Next, we can create multiple variables in a single line. For example, if I want to create 3 variables, I can mention ABC equal, and here 10, 20 and 30. Now if I check A 10, B 20, C 30. But here order of the variable and values are important, and also the number of values and variable, it should be equal. B, C, and you can mention different type of data also, like hello 3.4, here A, B and C. Okay, in this way you can create multiple variables in a single line. But be careful about the order of variable and value, as well as number of variable name and values. Alright, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.